Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, La Quinta, local, and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move 100 miles away or 2,000 miles across the country, we can help. Our long-distance movers know how to coordinate your move to ensure your things arrive on time. We make things so simple for you so you can focus on the other parts of your move. Along with the basic moving services you need, we also offer packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company might seem hard to justify. However, as you realize the benefits, you'll be able to justify the cost better. With the right local movers, you will save plenty of time. You will also avoid doing any heavy lifting or recruiting family or friends to help you. 3 Movers offers the right local movers for your needs. Our team will make sure you can get settled in faster at your new location. Whether you have a large move or a small move, we can get it done in a matter of a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our La Quinta moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.